morning class 12th A. Welcome back to our class in English literature. I have given the chapter reading yesterday. Yesterday I taught you chapter the third level, and today I am going to give you the short answer type question answer based on NCERT pattern. So today I am going to dictate the answer of the NCERT question answer. I have write down on the blackboard reading with insight. आप लोग बच्चों अपने बुक पे देखिएगा रीडिंग विद इनसाइट लिखा होगा, उसी का ये पहला क्वेश्चन है. आप अपना मैं क्वेश्चन बोलूँगी, आपने क्वेश्चन को टेली कर लीजिएगा. डू यू थिंक दैट द थर्ड लेवल वॉज ए मीडियम ऑफ एस्केप फॉर चार्ली? फिर देखिए, डू यू थिंक दैट द थर्ड लेवल वॉज अ मीडियम ऑफ एस्केप फॉर चार्ली? क्वेश्चन मार्क वाई, फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क. आंसर लिखिए. द थर्ड लेवल वॉज ए मीडियम ऑफ एस्केप. देखिए बच्चों आंसर, द थर्ड लेवल इज अ मीडियम ऑफ एस्केप फॉर चार्ली. सी कैपिटल में रहेगा, CHARLEY, चार्ली, फुल स्टॉप. चार्ली वॉज अनहैप्पी. चार्ली के बाद फुल स्टॉप लगाइए, फिर लिखिए चार्ली वॉज अनहैप्पी इन द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड. अनहैप्पी इन द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड, कॉमा, ही फाउंड इनसिक्योरिटी. ही फाउंड इनसिक्योरिटी, INSECURITY, इनसिक्योरिटी, कॉमा, फियर, कॉमा, वॉर, कॉमा, वरी, and all those things which cause much mental tension, 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 full stop. His hobby was stamp collecting. His hobby was stamp collecting, COLLECTING, stamp collecting, full stop. Looking at the old stamps, comma, he dreamed of the past. He dreamed, DREAMT, dreamed of the past, full stop. He thought that the life was pretty. He thought that the life was pretty, 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 NICE, nice, and peaceful, those days, peaceful, those days. पैराग्राफ चेंज करिए. This made him always desire a journey into the past. This made him always desire a journey into the past, full stop. He knew that ग्रैंड का जी कैपिटल में बनेगा. ग्रैंड सेंट्रल, CENTRL, सी कैपिटल में बनेगा. सेंट्रल had two levels, 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 full stop. On the first level, LEVEL level, there are ultra modern trains. The third level, there are ultra modern trains, like the 20th स्पेलिंग में बोलना है। टी कैपिटल में रहेगा TWEN IETH 20th century, 20th centuries, CENTURY century, 20th century। आगे लिखिए, which take you to far away places, which take you to far away, to FAR far, far away, AWAY away, places, far away places, PLACS places, full stop। on the second level, ये आपका फर्स्ट लेवल पे था, अब आइए ऑन द सेकेंड लेवल। नंबर 2 पॉइंट डाल लीजिएगा, ऑन द सेकेंड लेवल, one can get the trains for the suburban station, SUB URBAN suburban stations, STATIONS stations, full stop। perhaps it entered his mind, it entered his mind that there could be a third level, where passengers could get train, trains for the cities that existed in the past, EXISTED, existed in the past, full stop। so third level become a medium, level become a medium of medium of escape, escape for Charlie, CHARLEY। हाँ बच्चों, जरा इस आंसर को हम बोल रहे हैं, आप लोग एक बार टेली कर लीजिए। आंसर बोलना है। क्वेश्चन है, डू यू थिंक दैट द थर्ड लेवल वॉज ए मीडियम ऑफ एस्केप फॉर चार्ली, क्वेश्चन मार्क वाई। आंसर देखिए, द थर्ड लेवल वॉज ए मीडियम ऑफ एस्केप फॉर चार्ली, फुल स्टॉप। चार्ली वॉज अनहैप्पी, फुल स्टॉप, in the modern world, he found insecurity, fear, war, worry, and all those things which cause much mental tension, full stop। his hobby was stamp collecting, looking at the old stamps, he dreamed of the past, he thought that the life was pretty nice and peaceful those days। he made, paragraph change है, this made him always desire to journey into the past। he knew that Grand Central had 2 levels। on the first level there was ultra modern trains like 20th century which take you to far away places। on the second level one can get the trains of suburban stations, perhaps it entered his mind that there could be a third level where passengers could get train for the cities that existed in the past। so third level became a medium of escape for Charlie। हाँ तो बच्चों देखिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, व्हाट डू यू इन्फर from Sam's letter to Charlie? What do you infer from Sam's letter to Charlie? Sam's letter to Charlie shows, आंसर लिखिए बच्चों, Sam's letter to Charlie shows that the secreted, स्पेलिंग हम बोल रहे हैं PSYCHIATRIST, secreted Sam, नाम है कैपिटल में लिखिए सैम, also suffered from the same illness which afflicted afflicted Charlie, CHARLE, Charlie, full stop. He was treating Charlie, full stop. While doing so, he understood Charlie's malady, Charlie's CHARLEY, Charlie's malady, MALADY, melody, full stop. However, he wished to find what Charlie had accidentally found. ACCIDENTLY, accidentally found, full stop. One does not know whether he found the third label or not, full stop, नहीं बच्चों, कॉमा है, कॉमा. He was certainly able to find an escape from the present day world. फिर से बच्चों इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर रेडी करिए. Sam's letter to Charlie so that the psychiatrist PSYCHIATRIST, psychiatrist Sam also suffered from the same illness which afflicted Charlie. He was treating Charlie. While doing so, he understood Charlie's malady. However, he wished to find what Charlie had accidentally found. One does not know whether he found the third label or not. He was certainly able to find an escape from the present day world. ओके क्लास, आज मैंने आपको रीडिंग विद इनसाइट यानी एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चन आंसर 2 लिखाए हैं, और इसके बाद जो बचे हुए क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आपको नेक्स्ट टर्न में, यानी जो मेरा मंडे से टर्न पड़ेगा उसमें आपको मैं दूंगी. आपको नेक्स्ट टर्न तक मैं आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर सारे सेंड कर दूंगी. ओके बच्चों, थैंक यू क्लास.